My name's Sarah Duran. I'm a senior majoring in electrical and computer engineering, and I'm from Madrid, Spain. Well, as an international student, I felt that the community was welcoming, aside from, I had to get used to some little scheduling things and the weather, obviously. But other than that, it's been a pretty smooth transition. There's on campus for international students, there's what they call the International House, and Dr. Thompson really helps students out. I mean, I have a different situation because I have dual citizenship, but for example, students that would like to work here, or, he helps them with the whole visa situation, and also storing things during the summer, things that people who live in the area just really don't think about. An International House is always there to help them out.
My name is Kyle Miller. I'm a junior from Halifax, Nova Scotia, and I'm studying aerospace engineering. WPI, being from Canada, is not a well-known school across national borders, I find, at least across the Canadian border, but in my particular instance, I chose it because of a recommendation from a professor back home who had spent some time in Massachusetts and had heard of it and thought very highly of it. And everything I read about it, I liked. I liked the quarter system. Being from further away, it means I can go home more often during the year than I would be able to a school that had semesters. And I also was taken by the project system, the applied learning, and really what clinched it for me was my campus tour when I really got a feel for the place and sort of fell in love with the WPI.